Have you ever dreamed to accomplish your own innovative idea which was suitable for real world problem? Yes, actually, I have. Do you? In my childhood, one day I went to bus hall to catch a public transport and I had to wait for a long time. So at that time, I thought if I know the exact location and the exact arrival time of a bus, I could have to save my time. Don't give up your innovative idea. We are introducing CMPAC, which is a web platform to make the bridge between innovators, inventors, and investors. This platform for CMPACtors who have financial ability with minimum market resources to catch the global market. Also, our CMPAC registered investors are ready to help them. The way forward now, we are in the initial stage. Both parties should have to register on our platform, then they can share their own findings. When Ziapac introducing different packages for investors with different features. Since we are in the initial stage, we have to provide SMS notification service to our investors. A preference list, field list can be created by an investor if innovators publish their idea on that field at that same time that investor will be notified. Or investor can open a portal to find GM factors who are aligned with investors' requirements. As the future stage, if someone seeking knowledge related to any other field, they can browse the knowledge hub and pick an innovator or an inventor who are really ready to support for next generation by sharing their knowledge and experience. Over to deletion.
What makes this platform so special rather than any other apps or platforms which are already in the market? For our knowledge, there are only few number of platforms which serve this specific service. So now you ladies may have a question about what are the methods we implemented in the platform to secure the integrity. Number one, we use direct communication method via text and notification to do their business. Number two, now this is a special feature. Like in any social media platform, users can post their ideas to get in touch with an investor. The question is, from the minute you post your idea, its intellectual property value is at a risk in an amount which you don't know. As a solution, we implemented the method to predict the exposure level of an idea using natural language processing and machine learning. This is how it works. When a user tries to upload a post to the platform will get that text and run it through natural language pre-processing and pre-trained machine learning classifier, which predicts how exposed is that idea is. After that, it is really user's choice to put the same post or try to make a post less exposed. Now let's look at the app in a different one. As we all know, COVID-19 pandemic has affected human aspects of life, especially in human thinking. Among them, our eyes goes to the fact that young generation is gaining an interest in making a change, trying a new thing. Their main problem was difficulty. Obviously, this will help them to overcome that difficulty and achieve their dream. Not only this will help the individual as success, but it will help community around them in ways of job creation, startup and small business creation, which leads to economic development of the country. And the list goes on. Most of all, this will connect ambitious, hardworking people of two generations who are interested in making a change in themselves and the country. Over to you, Asri.
In 1 month, we reach out to 10 to 50 potential investors to grow the network to 1,000 to 10,000 members. The email campaign will be extended to a certain point, after which remainder of the community will be reached through social media campaigns on Facebook and LinkedIn. In our marketing effort, referrals will be compensated for their efforts, and we would want to incorporate user-generated content and user feedback. In Bing and Chrome, we employ search engine optimization strategies and keywords like investors and innovations. There are no competitors right at the moment. So we are our own rival. Over to you, Praveen.
These are the technologies which we use.
Sorry to interrupt, guys. I think the time for presentation is done. We can give additional 1 minute for the demonstration.
Thank you. These are the technologies which we use and the HCNIT API. Additionally, we use machine learning. Let's begin with most awaited demo session. Now you can see the CMPAC website. Let's create new user. User should fill all the fields in this form, and they should submit this form. By submitting this form, user will get OTP message. Then user can create new account by verifying their account. Let's sign in with pre-logged investor account. Add the email and password. Let's log in. Now you can see nice home page with several posts already there and advertisement areas. Investor can change their package and their SMS preference. Let's add some SMS preference for logged investor. Let's log in with inventor account. Let's say join. Type email and password. Now inventor account is logged for the platform. Let's add post under agriculture field or ICT field. Okay. Then test. Then add title and description. Now we can check description with our machine learning algorithm. Oh, this idea is export. Let's take some changes and verify again. Oh, now it's safe. Let's add some nice picture and they can post their this post. Now investors are notified who are interested in agriculture field. Now we can see the messages which we got by the investors. Now see, we can see investors' mobile phone. These are the messages which we investors get when post is posted. This is the initial stage. We have integrated all common features which need for this platform. Thank you.